Ever wonder how millionaires manage it all? The empires, the families, the freedom. While most of us drown in to-do lists, they move with clarity. It's not that they have more time. It's that they use time differently. This isn't productivity. This is identity in motion. Welcome to the system behind their results, and the one you've been missing. You've been told your entire life that a to-do list is the key to getting things done. But what if that list is the very thing holding you back? What if it's the reason you feel busy, but never productive? The to-do list has no sense of time. It's like a buffet. Your brain picks the easy, low-value tasks first. Urgent tasks scream for attention like fire alarms. Important ones? Silent like gas leaks, dangerous if ignored. And then there's the Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished tasks drain mental energy like browser tabs running in the background. You're not planning. You're accumulating anxiety. So what do the most effective people do instead? They time block. Every minute gets a job. Every priority gets a place. Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Benjamin Franklin, their calendars are sacred documents. It's not about guessing what might happen. It's about scheduling what must. A to-do list is a grocery list. A calendar is the recipe. One is intention. The other is execution. One is passive. The other is power. Step 1. Decide what matters. Dump your mental clutter. Identify your 1 to 3 most important tasks, MITs. Step 2. Block it in. Open your calendar. Assign time blocks for each MIT. Add breaks. Add buffer zones. Schedule rest like it's a meeting. Step 3. Protect and review. Honor your blocks. Turn off notifications. Say no when necessary. Review each week. What worked? What broke? Adjust. Advanced. Try day theming or task batching. Structure drives momentum. Millionaires don't just manage time. They design identity into every hour. Morning. Silence. Movement. Reflection. Presence. Midday. Deep work. High leverage meetings. Focus. Evening. Family. Recovery. Journaling. They don't hope for balance. They schedule it. Their calendar reflects their identity, not their distractions. Digital calendars. Google Calendar, Motion, Notion. Time tracking. Toggle, rescue time. The Eisenhower matrix helps you separate what's urgent from what's truly important. It's a 4-quadrant box. Do now, schedule, delegate, and eliminate. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, reveals that 80% of your results often come from just 20% of your efforts. Focus on the few tasks that create the biggest impact. These aren't just apps, they're mirrors. They show you what you're really committed to. You've made lists long enough. You've chased productivity long enough. Now it's time to lead. Your calendar is not just a tool. It's a mirror, a reflection of who you are becoming. If I looked at your calendar right now, would I see your future or your distractions? So block the time. Own your day. Become the version of you that doesn't wait anymore. If this spoke to you, don't scroll past. Start building the version of you who owns time. And if you're ready to go deeper, to build a system that aligns with your purpose and rewires your focus, join the membership. Exclusive trainings, tools, and mind-shifting content are waiting. I'll see you on the inside. Protected like one. Every day is a bonus. Charles Odia.